Hello dear viewers, you're most welcome. This is Algebra to Mathematics channel, and thanks for watching. On this channel we present mathematics content, questions and lessons. So let's now dive in today's presentation. We're having our tryout question, and it's about equal vectors and magnitude of vectors. So please, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe, hit the notification button so that you are notified whenever I upload a new video, like and share. So let's now dive in. We are given vectors A equals to 4 plus 2, then 3m, plus vector B, and we are saying that are equal vectors. Then determine the values of m and q, hence the magnitude of vector A. So we can have our response. Let's have our response here. So they have given us vector A being equal to 4 plus q, then 3m, and vector B being equal to the negative 6m, then m plus 8. And they are saying that these two vectors are equal. So the condition is that if they are equal, it means that vector A equals to vector B. And now from this step we can substitute in, but vector A is given by the 4 plus q, then 3m. So being equal to the vector B, which is negative 6m, then m plus 8. So from this step, it means that we can also equate the corresponding entities or components. What does it mean? It also means that 4 plus q equals to negative 6m. We can make this to be equation 1. Also, we can have the 3m, this one here, equal to the m plus 8. So from here, we can make this to be equation 2. Then from equation 2, we can solve for m. So by collecting like terms, it means that we have 3m minus m equaling to the m minus m plus 8. 3m minus m, we are left with 2m being equal to the 8. To get the value of m, we are going to divide it through by 2 on both sides of the equal sign. So we divide it through by 2, divide it through by 2. This implies that our value of m equals to 8 divided by 2. So m equals to 4. Also, from now equation 1, whereby we have 4 plus q equals to negative 6m, but they are saying that our m we have got 4. So this implies that by substitution, our 4 plus the q that we are still looking for equals to negative 6 multiplied by our m, which is 4. So 4 plus q equals to negative 24. Let's now collect like terms. So we have 4 minus 4 plus q equals to the negative 24 minus 4. So this and that cancels out, so that we remain with the q on the left hand side being equal to the negative 28. So now we have so far got the values of m and q. So the values of m, we have this and this. So let's go ahead. So they said, and hence find the magnitude of A. Remember, our vector A equals to the 4 plus q, then 3m. So let's substitute in for q equals to negative 28 and m equals to the 4. We first obtain this vector. So this is equal to the 4 plus the q, which is negative 28, then 3 multiplied by 4, because our value of m is 4. So vector A equals to 4 plus negative 28 is negative 24. Then 3 multiplied by 4, we are getting 12. So we have our vector here. Then the magnitude of vector A is equal to, so from the formula, is equal to the x squared plus y squared, whereby for this case, x is equal to the negative 24 and y equals to the 12. So let's substitute in. It implies that the magnitude of A, vector A, equals to the square root of negative 24 by the whole of it squared plus 12 squared. So this implies you have the magnitude of vector A being equal to the square root of negative 24 squared is same as 576 plus 12 squared is 144. The whole of it is under square root, implying that our magnitude of vector A is going to be equal to the square root of 720. Then what is the square root of 720. So the magnitude of our vector A equals to the square root of 720. This is equal to, if I press my calculator, it gives me 26.83281573. I can round off to maybe 2 dp, so implying that the magnitude of our vector A equals to the 26.83, and I put units. So this becomes our correct answer as the magnitude of vector A. Thanks for watching and see you again. Goodbye.